In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error in Facebook ads that says your URL should represent a valid one. This can be a common issue for marketers who rely on Facebook to reach their audience, so getting it right is crucial. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Facebook Ads Manager in Google's search bar. This tool is the central hub for managing your Facebook ads and will be where we resolve the URL issue. Once you see the link to Facebook Ads Manager in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Next, simply click on Go to Ads Manager. This will direct you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password. Keep in mind that it's important to use the credentials associated with your ad account. After you've entered your information, click on Log In. This step is pivotal as it grants you access to all of your active Facebook ad campaigns. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the campaign's dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of all your active, inactive, and pending campaigns. Look for the campaign that's experiencing the URL error and select it. This enables you to make the necessary edits at the ad level where the error likely resides. Now that you're at the ads level, click on Edit to make changes to the particular ad flagged with this error. It's time to carefully go through the details. You'll be scrutinizing the website URL field first for any discrepancies. Make sure there are no typos, missing characters, or spaces that might be altering the intended link. A tiny mistake here often turns an otherwise valid URL into an invalid one. Also, turn your attention to the display link. This is what users see in your ad, so ensuring it complements the website URL is key. Double check both fields for accuracy and consistency. Furthermore, ensure your URL begins with either http:// or https/. URLs lacking these prefixes are immediately flagged by Facebook, as they do not meet the format criteria. Last but not least, confirm that the website you're directing users to is both up and running effectively. Websites can experience downtime, which might not be a permanent issue but will still render your ad ineffective temporarily. Ensure that the site is accessible, doesn't have temporary server issues, and loads as expected. In summary, checking your URL for accuracy, making sure it starts with the standard HTTP or HTTPS, and verifying the website's availability can save both time and resources. These steps will help eliminate the error message and ensure your Facebook ads run smoothly. By following these careful checks, you'll be back on track to effectively reaching your audience without any disruptions in no time.